long wing. And I'm also going to definitely make sure that I'm bringing it in to the inner corner of my eye, because that is what she did for the, or that is how her makeup was for this look. And also the eyeliner is going to be a bit thicker than normal, well, at least for me. You know, let the liner dry for a bit, and then I'm just going to take the black color from the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm going to pack that onto where I placed the liner, just to make it more matte and make it more defined, and also make it look more thick as I did with this eye, because as you can tell with her makeup look, the black was much more apparent than, you know, as the other shades on her lid. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm also not taking the matte black eyeshadow all the way in to my inner corner. I'm kind of I'm stopping kind of right before I get there, just to create more of like a whoosh. So now we can remove the tape. And you want to make sure she is sharp. Okay, and then I'm just gonna apply some mascara before I apply my lashes, and I'm gonna use my favorite, which is the Last Sensational Mascara by Maybelline. And I'm just putting it on the top lashes for now. So that lashes are on, we are going to be moving on to my face, and to prime my face, I'm gonna be using a Cetaphil moisturizer because I don't have no moisturizer, no primer right now. So we're just gonna do what it do. For foundation, I'm going to be using the LA Colors Truly Matte Long Range Foundation, and I'm going to be mixing that with a little bit of the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation. Kim was a full coverage girl at the Met Gala, so we gotta be full coverage with our good sis, because that's just how it goes. So for highlighting, I'm going to be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in shade Medium 28. So now we're going to cream contour a little bit, even though I don't do this normally, but I'm just going to take this shade and I'm going to just contour my face a bit. So to set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder, as always. And then to powder contour, I'm going to be using the Powder Contour Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills Medium to Tan, and I'm going to take the 2 contour shades and contour it up. And then I'm going to take this contour shade and I'm going to just pinch my brush and I'm going to contour my nose. Just going to blend out the contour a little bit, but I'm not going to wipe away the setting powder under my eyes yet. Just like him came, or no. to take my Maybelline Master, I don't know, it's a Maybelline eyeliner, and I'm going to be putting that into my waterline. I make such ugly faces. I think Alexa's the feds, because I said nothing, I said nothing anywhere near Alexa, and she turned on.
Say that again?
She's the feds. Okay, so when I look at Kim's under eye for this look, I see it more as gray, but I know some people say it can look a little like burgundy-ish from certain angles, so I'm gonna add both of those aspects under my eyes to kind of get both of that, to get that look. So first things first, I'm gonna use this Maybelline The Nudes palette. I love this palette, and I'm going to take this gray toned right here and this kind of darker gray, and I'm gonna mix them, and I'm gonna put them just lightly, you know, underneath. I'm gonna smoke out my waterline. That's the word, whatever, that's the phrase. So just lightly, and I'm gonna connect it also to the eyeliner on the outside. I never smoke out my waterline. Oh my gosh. Okay. So then, to take the Morphe 3502 palette once again, if I can open it. And then I'm going to take just the burgundy shimmer shade that's right next to the burgundy shade that we use on the eyes. And I'm just going to take a little bit of it, and I'm going to be using that to smoke out my waterline as well. I was literally about to use this and there's no mirror. Okay. Cute. And to also make the look pop a bit more, I'm going to go in with this Amore Us 2x marker, and I'm using the longer but thinner side. And I'm going to try to basically create a wing on the front, but like a small one, because as you see, that's basically her eye shape. I'm going to try to just create a small one. I've never done it. Hopefully I'll mess this up. But just to create more of the Kimberly Noel Kardashian West effect on this look. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all if I fail or not. And then I'm gonna take the black eyeshadow that I used to kind of smoke out the eyeliner, and I'm gonna use that as well just to kind of make this look better. So I kind of got it, not really, but look, it was my first time trying it, so it's okay. Look is still perfect. So now, moving on to highlight, she didn't have like a booming highlight. She was much more matte, as you would say. But I'm going to take the e.l.f. Baked Highlight and Blush, and I'm just going to use a little bit, which normally is a lot for me because, you know, I overgo on highlighter, but just a little bit right here, just lightly. Nikki didn't overuse highlighter, such a shocker. And also I'm going to put some at the center of my forehead because, as you see in her pictures, it's like, boom, I'm here. And I'm going to do with my regular, whatever I have left. Wait guys, I'm really shook at how like I didn't go overboard. This is how I'm going to start applying my highlighter. It's probably how I should have been applying it, but you know, I just, I get a bit excited when I do highlighter. But I'm going to blend everything out now, just so it's not too harsh. We are going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit in Radiant Blush Kit. Yeah, and I'm gonna use the shade Coastline. It's like an peachy orange, you know. I thought it was really cute, and that's, to me, that's what it seemed like she was wearing in the makeup pictures that I see. So I'm only using a little bit, and I'm gonna just apply it to the apples of my cheeks. Come through blush. Okay. And once again, I'm taking my favorite Tarte Fluffy brush, and I'm going to be blending out the blush just so that it's not too hard. I'm going to take whatever left on my brush with the highlighter. Just go over it a little bit. Because we don't want it too, like, whoosh, but we don't want it too, like, not whoosh. Like, we want her in the middle. In the middle. I'm actually loving this look. I never go for looks like this. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. So, also I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm going to apply that to my bottom lashes. Duh. I've come to the conclusion that I make the ugliest faces when I apply mascara and when I apply eyeliner. And eyeshadow. Yeah, because no, it just, my mouth be all the way like to the floor. Like, I don't know how to not do that. Like, that's weird, you know? Okay. So now that we are basically done with the face. Dang, I feel like I contoured today better than I ever have in my life. Like, Kim, we cousins. For my lips, I'm going to be doing my normal trio, or shall I say duo, with a gloss. So first I'm going to be applying ColourPop Limbo as my lip liner. She seemed to have a nude lip. It was a lighter brown than this, but this is what I have at the moment. So I applied a little bit less than I would as usual, just to kind of give it that lighter lip liner effect. I'm going to be taking ColourPop Chi, and I'm going to be applying that into the center of my lips. I feel like normally when I do this lip combo, I go overboard with the Chi, and you can't even see the Limbo that I use for like a lip liner. But for this look, it was very apparent that she had a lip liner and then a lipstick. So tried my best. I'm going to put a little bit of gloss, and I'm going to be taking the ColourPop X Makeup Shayla Ultra Glossy Lip in Neat Freak, and I'm just going to be applying that into the center as well. Boom! You're literally Kim K at the Met Gala 2K18, slaying in Versace, dripping in gold, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I literally did not think that it was gonna come out as good, to be real with you. I really like the way it looks, and I love this makeup look. Makeup by Maro killed it while he was doing her makeup. Literally the first thing that I noticed when I saw her on that red carpet, I was like, yo, her makeup is popping. Like, I was very shook, and I was like, you know what, I want to do my own take on this look, and that's exactly what I did, and I'm very proud of myself. I like it a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and to comment down below your thoughts on this video and on this look and on Kim's look, and whose Met Gala makeup was your favorite this year, and to subscribe to my channel as well. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.